How to find mentions and tags settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find mentions and tags settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in top you will find the storylines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will see privacy, and scroll down until you find this one, mentions and tags. And as you see here, you can manage mentions and tags on TikTok mobile. And that's how to find mentions and tag settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.